Hey everybody, Phil Clemente here, Air Filtration Solutions. You know, I've received several direct messages asking where the Fiberbond cubes can be used other than hospitals as pre-filters. And the answer is pretty much anywhere as long as the application can accommodate its configuration, its extended surface configuration. These are the cubes, the MERV 11 PolyShield cubes. They come in, this is the 8-inch deep, they come in 15-inch deep. These are ideal for front loading or face loading applications. They do come in a headered version. This happens to be the MERV 9 Dustlok version with the header. These are used for when they're sliding. They need to slide side by side in a long track. So they do come in a headered version, but I've been in this industry for over 30 years, and in that time, I've had these products in all types of different industry, different applications, ranging from food processing plants to factories, high-rise buildings, colleges, university, all with a tremendous amount of success. And those facilities that I just mentioned, most of those are not like hospitals, which are 24-hour, 7-day-a-week systems. So you could actually get longer service lives out of different industries / applications. So if you want to try these filters, or if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime via email, give me a call. I'd be more than happy to talk filters with you. Remember, I have over 30 years experience working with all filters, I've sold them all, I've worked with them all, and I have plenty of knowledge and experience to share with you if you'd like it. So, hope it helps. Thank you. Take care.